So let's see how we can remove and format the partitions in a disk. So here we have the disk 1, and inside the disk we have this healthy recovery partition and healthy EFI system partition. So let's see how we can format them. So if we right click on them, you can see there is no format option shown. In that case, we have to use a different approach to format that. So we have to open up the command prompt, and then here we have to open the disk part. So we have to write the command disk part, and it will open the disk part console. Now from here we have to select the disk and the partition, and then we can delete that partition. So let's see how we can do that. First of all, we have to write select disk. So here you can see we have the disk number, we have disk 0 and disk 1. So we have to write here disk 1. It shows that disk 1 is now selected. So now we have to select the partition that we wanted to delete. So we have to write select partition and then the number of the partition. So we're gonna select the second partition, and now we can run the command and we can delete that partition. So we have to write delete partition and then overwrite. So you can see the partition has been deleted and it is now unallocated. Similarly also we have to do it for the partition 1 also. So let's see. So first of all we have to select that partition. So we're gonna write select partition. So select partition 1. So now we can run the same command and we can delete that partition also. So delete partition, overwrite. And you can see now both of the partitions are deleted and they are merged together. So both of the partitions are now unallocated. So this is the way we can delete partitions using the command prompt. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.